so many comments, every third DM that I get in my live videos, in my story replies. All of you have been asking me how I lost this weight. And I was taking my sweet time to make this video because I myself wanted to be sure that the weight that I have lost, I can maintain it. So now that I have maintaining this weight from past 1 year, I feel that I'm ready to share with you that how I have lost this weight. This video is going to be more like a very informal podcast format video because I just want to take it easy in this video. I just want to keep it informal, and I just want to be talking to you guys, sharing with you what all I have done all these years, I would say years, to lose this weight and to keep it going this way. मैं आपको पहले ही बता दूं कि ये एक स्लो प्रोसेस रहा है and this has more been a game of consistency and patience and not, mindset is what I would like to start with. Not obsessing over losing weight. So it was more of an initiative to get healthier instead of getting slimmer. And the weight loss naturally came along. And this is not a rocket science. The first thing that I did is mindful eating. So it all started that I was around 82 kgs. I was going through a lot of health issues at that time. I was having pain in my legs, pain in my knees, in my heels, मुझे plantar fasciitis. If you know this condition, I was going through that, and मेरे लिए walk करना भी बहुत मुश्किल हो गया था. I was going through a problem in my life where I was getting skin burning to the extent that my inner thighs, my groin was burning. I was unable to walk. So I think this discussion is for some other video for sure, but we are here for weight loss. And I just want to share that where it all started. So it started with all these health issues. And later on, I got acid reflux and food allergies. And that is when I was like, I need to do something about it. I cannot live like this anymore. I cannot just pretend to be a healthy person by putting up glowing makeup on my face and showing a happy face to the world when I know that I'm not happy inside, when I know that I'm not healthy on the inside. So that is when it all started. When I talk about mindful eating, इसका मतलब ये बिल्कुल भी नहीं है कि मैं डाइट्स पे चली गई, मैंने कोई क्रैश डाइट किया, ऐसा बिल्कुल भी नहीं था. मुझे एक चीज़ उस टाइम ये रियलाइज़ हो गई थी कि मैं डाइट्स नहीं कर सकती, मैं हाई प्रोटीन नहीं खा सकती क्योंकि प्लांटर फैशियाइटिस की वजह से मेरी हील्स बहुत ज़्यादा पेन करती थी. एंड आई ऑल्सो रियलाइज्ड that I cannot have sugar. Every time I was eating sugar, instantly मेरी heels में pain होना start हो जाता था. So I became mindful. I started noticing and observing that what are the foods that are causing me issues. So if you want me to elaborate on my acid reflux, my food allergies, that is a discussion for another video. Trust me, it's a lengthy discussion if I'll go into the foods that I was eating and not eating and avoiding, and then how I have put them back into my diet and what I have figured about it. That is a different discussion. But what I'm trying to say is basic things. I realized diet पे मैं नहीं जा सकती हूँ. मैं simple घर का खाना खाऊंगी, सब्जी, रोटी, dahi या लस्सी, whatever it is, and I cut out sugar from my diet. I cut out fried from my diet. अगर अजवाइन का पराठा बनता है सुबह सबके लिए या भरवा पराठा बनता है सबके लिए तो मैं भी वही खाती हूँ, but in a roti form of way. I cut out all the processed food from my diet. Be it breads, be it anything packed. Packed का मतलब ये नहीं कि मैं दाल और ये सब packed आ रहा है तो वो नहीं खा रही. Anything packed which is ready to eat food, which is put your hand in the packet and put it in your mouth kind of food, वो सब मैंने खाना बंद कर दिया. Be it chips, chocolates, anything packed, I stopped eating it. And that is where this major shift happened. Another thing that I started doing was ईटिंग ऑन फिक्स्ड टाइम। तो हम सबको इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग और इन सब के बारे में बहुत कुछ पता है। आई नो दैट एवरीबडी इज वेल वर्स्ड with these concepts and with these routines, but the thing is, what actually worked for me is eating on time. आज के टाइम पे मेरी eating window भी है और मेरी बहुत, which is not tough to maintain, I'll be very honest with you. So I eat on fixed times. सुबह 6:45 से लेके 8 के बीच में मेरा ब्रेकफास्ट हो जाता है. Around 12 o'clock I take my lunch, and at 6:30 to 7 p.m. I eat my dinner. And I generally do not eat anything between meals, because I'll tell you why. I have a past of PCOD, and I used to have PCOD. Now I do not have it because my situation is different. I had gone through a surgery in which they corrected the PCOD and I never got it back. My periods are on time every month. So those problems I'm not facing. But otherwise, PCOD का past होने की वजह से insulin resistance मेरी body में अभी भी है. So I do not prefer eating between my meals. I have made that compromise. I let my stomach grumble. वो गुड़ जो पेट में होती है मैं उसको होने देती हूँ, और I just like it this way. So I like keeping myself light. I like getting super hungry on my meal time, and I like filling myself or feeding myself some good, simple home cooked food at that time, and probably that is what has worked for me. Now I would like to touch the topic of inflammation, जो कि इतना ज़्यादा ट्रेंडिंग है आज के टाइम पे कि मैं क्या बोलूँ, इट्स लाइक एवरीबडी इज़ टॉकिंग अबाउट इन्फ्लेमेशन. आज से 2 साल पहले जब मैंने ये सब प्रोसेस स्टार्ट किया था ऑफ मेकिंग माई सेल्फ हेल्दी, मुझे पता भी नहीं था इन्फ्लेमेशन के बारे में. एंड आई जस्ट गॉट अ फूड एलर्जी टेस्ट got done because it was recommended by a doctor, as I was going through very tough time with my cough and acid reflux, जो कि किसी डॉक्टर ने figure out नहीं किया. I'm telling you honestly, I figured it out on my own that I am going through acid reflux. And then when the report came in, I got to know about my food allergies. And you also can get it done. It's no big deal. जो आजकल food sensitivity या फिर food allergies की टेस्ट की बात हो रही है, I got it done 2 years ago or maybe 3 years ago, I don't remember, and I stopped eating those foods. आपको मैं बता रही थी ना, there was a situation where my skin was burning, my groin was burning. I was allergic to nutmeg, and due to that allergy, it has spread so much somehow that I am now allergic to chilies as well. So I cannot have chilies, I cannot have spicy food, I cannot have garam masala, nutmeg, sambar masala. All of these spices have जायफल होता है ना, वो होता है इनमें. So I can't have that. So I started working on my diet in a way that I stopped eating all the things that were causing me trouble. Next comes the topic of working out. Working out के बारे में मैं ये बोलना चाहूँगी कि back in those days, I realized another thing. I tried, sorry, that was a message. So I tried doing skipping, I tried doing the home workouts, I tried doing weight training and whatnot. Problem क्या हो रही थी? I was trying to do everything at once, and the next day I was not doing anything at all. Then I decided I'll stick to something जो कि sustainable हो, जो कि मैं continue कर सकूँ आने वाले time के लिए. Just one day I went for a walk, and I realized that going for a walk is the best thing I can do to myself, because मैं घर से बाहर निकलती हूँ. होम वर्कआउट्स में क्या होता है, आप घर में ही हो, उसी घर के एनवायरनमेंट में हो. वॉक के लिए क्या है, आप घर से बाहर निकलोगे, आपको घर से बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट walking on a treadmill. I am talking about physically getting out of the house and walking on a road, probably listening to a podcast, listening to your favorite music, listening to anything that you feel like, talking to somebody over a call and walking if that works for you. Because there are different things that I do. Some days I'm listening to a podcast, the other day I feel like, listening to a song that I'm really hooked on to on that particular day, and it's an upbeat song and I want to listen to it. So, and the other days I'm maybe talking to my mom, I'm talking to my brother, I'm talking to somebody over the call and walking, और पता भी नहीं चलता है उन लोगों से बात करते करते कब 1-1.5 घंटे की आपकी वॉक हो जाती है. So whatever works for you, do that. Go out, take that walk, look at the trees, feel the grass, look at the birds, enjoy nature, because it's scientifically proven, especially for people like me जिनका केस ऐसा है कि जिन्हें insulin resistance का problem है. When you go out for a walk, especially a fast or a brisk walk, and then you look at the nature, you enjoy the nature, that insulin resistance goes down. The insulin starts regulating itself when you go in connection with nature, breathe the fresh air and all of that. And I have been sticking to my walks till date. डेफिनेटली ऐसे दिन आते हैं जब मैं नहीं जा पाती, कभी कुछ काम आ जाता है, कभी कहीं जाना पड़ता है. दैट डेफिनेटली हैपन्स, लाइफ हैपन्स, बट एटलीस्ट 4 days a week I try doing so. I do not give myself excuses कि आज तो संडे है, मैं आज वॉक पे नहीं जाऊंगी. मेरा सिंपल फंडा है, मेरे पास टाइम है, जो मर्जी दिन हो, आई डू नॉट केयर, आई विल गो फॉर दैट वॉक, आई विल स्पेंड टाइम विद माई ओन सेल्फ, आई विल listen to some self improvement videos, I will do something for myself in that time, or listen to my favorite music and just feel uplifted and sweat it out a little. Because before that, nothing was working for me, and this somehow magically worked for me. तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप एक वर्कआउट रूटीन ही फॉलो करो. If you're doing something on an everyday basis, और आपने अपनी consistency, be it eating, be it going for a walk, अगर आपने अपनी consistency उस सब के साथ बना ली है, it will give you results. That is for sure. Figure out what works for you. Figure out क्या है ऐसा जो आप अपने रूटीन में इंक्लूड कर सकते हो. लेट्स से आप मेरी तरह वॉक पे नहीं जा सकते, आपकी सराउंडिंग्स या आपका नेबरहुड ऐसा नहीं है कि आप वॉक पे जा सको या आप इस तरह का कुछ कर सको, तो घर पे कुछ करो. वर्कआउट्स आपको मिल जाते हैं, इंटेंस वर्कआउट्स मिल जाते हैं. जस्ट ट्राई फाइंडिंग आउट समबडी हु यू कैन कनेक्ट विद एंड यू फील लाइक दैट यू कनेक्ट विद देयर पर्सनैलिटी एंड यू एंजॉय योर वर्कआउट्स विद देम. Do a home workout if that works for you. Go to the gym, join gym if that works for you. Do anything, but at least start including one physical activity in your daily routine, and you will see how it will magically solve your problems. The next thing, it might sound like something stupid, but it kind of worked for me. I started blessing my food. Every time I was eating my food, I was looking at the plate, and in my head, I was repeating, this food is going to heal me. The water that I'm drinking is going to heal me. I was literally, when nobody was around, I know I'm telling this on, a public platform, but I was blessing my water. I still do that, okay? Blessing my water, blessing my food. And even while making, I have started doing this new thing. Even while making the food, I am blessing the food, that this food is going to make us healthier. So that is one thing. It's an energetic thing. So it's okay if you don't feel like doing so, but जितनी ज़्यादा health issues मुझे थे ना, कि कुछ भी खाते ही मुझे खांसी start हो जाती थी, and I used to choke on my own mucus. It was such a bad phase, I cannot tell you. अगर आप मेरी जगह पे होते ना, तो आप भी शायद किसी भी चीज़ पे बिलीव करने को उस टाइम तैयार हो जाते, because no medication was working on me, and this whole thing has really worked for me. So blessing my food really, really worked for me. Now the question arises, do I never eat outside? The answer is no. I do eat outside. I do enjoy outings with my family. But again, I would like to come back to mindful eating. मैं हफ्ते में भी नहीं, मैं 2 हफ्ते में एक बार बाहर का खाना खाती हूँ. And I know that whatever, because बाहर ऐसा कुछ नहीं मिलता है. I have some severe food allergies. I know it's not common in India, but I have them, and I am allergic to milk, I'm allergic to spices. तो ऐसा मुझे बाहर जाके ना कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं मिलता है कि जो मैं खा पाऊँ. और उस वजह से होता क्या है कि if I am eating out, then I know I'll have to take my anti-allergy tablets. I know that I'll have to balance this out. And if we have gone out, we have had a heavy lunch, and I've eaten my stomach full, or we have eaten something around 4 o'clock, I will come back home and not eat anything. Then I do not eat dinner. And दैट इज़ हाउ आई बैलेंस इट, क्योंकि उस टाइम मुझे पता है कि मैंने बहुत सारी कैलोरीज कंज्यूम की हैं बाहर के खाने के साथ, तो मैं उसे बैलेंस करती हूँ. और उसके बाद आई मेक श्योर टू नॉट ईट एनीथिंग विच इज़ अनहेल्दी फॉर द एटलीस्ट फॉर द नेक्स्ट 1 week, और वो अपने आप बैलेंस आउट हो जाता है. तो ऐसा नहीं है कि मैं बिल्कुल भी आउटिंग्स या सोशल लाइफ या आउटसाइड फूड इंजॉय नहीं कर रही हूँ. आई टोल्ड यू, डोनट्स आर माई वीकनेस, और मैं जब भी बाहर जाती हूँ मेरा बहुत मन करता है डोनट्स खाने का, एंड ऑल्सो डू ईट डोनट्स. Quitting sugar does not mean that I am not eating it ever, but मैं पूरे महीने में या शायद 2 महीने में एक बार डोनट खाती हूँ. एंड then I do not go back to the cycle of eating sugar every day. I just cut it out completely from my diet from the very next moment. So that is how I have been balancing it out. I know it sounds a little tough to incorporate so many things at once in life. और अगर आप चाहोगे कि आप ये सब फॉलो करो तो हो सकता है थोड़ा सा आप स्ट्रेस्ड आउट फील करो, बट लेट मी हेल्प यू ऑन दिस. आई वांट टू से दैट डोंट ट्राई डूइंग एवरीथिंग एट वंस, क्योंकि मैंने सबसे पहले अपनी फूड को ऑब्जर्व करना शुरू किया था. मैंने पूरे 6 से 7 महीने सिर्फ और सिर्फ अपनी डाइट पे ध्यान दिया था. उसके बाद मैंने वॉक्स इंक्लूड किए थे अपने रूटीन में, एंड उसके बाद मैंने वॉक्स के भी 3-4 महीने बाद मैंने कम्प्लीटली शुगर कट ऑफ किया था. सो आई हैव बीन डूइंग वन थिंग एट अ टाइम. सो व्हेन यू वन वन थिंग एट अ टाइम, वो आपके रूटीन का हिस्सा बनना शुरू हो जाता है. जब एक चीज़ आपके रूटीन का हिस्सा बन गई, तब आप दूसरे पे स्किप करो या दूसरी चीज़ स्टार्ट करो. अब उसके साथ ये दूसरी चीज़ भी इंक्लूड हो जाएगी, then it will add up. Now you got used to the second thing as well. Now you're successfully doing first thing and the second thing. Now move on to the third thing. Include that third thing in your routine. Then this third thing, after like 2 weeks, 3 weeks, or let's say 1 month, वो तीसरी चीज़ आपका routine बन जाएगी. And the last thing that I want to talk about, because weight loss revolves a lot around what we eat, and your relation to your food is what matters a lot. So there has to be a shift in your mentality from अरे मैं ये भी नहीं खा सकती, मैं तो वो भी नहीं खा सकती, I can't have this, can't have that, से वो mentality shift होनी चाहिए that I eat the healthier food. I eat the high vibration food, and the food that I'm not eating, it's not meant for me. जो लोग successfully healthy है ना, let's say actors and all of those models and celebrities or whatever, the thing is they are not thinking about the food they cannot eat, because they are thinking about the food as a source of energy in life. वो उस खाने के बारे में सोच भी नहीं रहे हैं. They are not thinking about कि अरे मैं तो केक्स नहीं खा सकती या मैं केक्स नहीं खा सकता. They're not thinking about it. They are not constantly feeding their brain कि मैं ये नहीं खा सकती. So that negative talk has to stop. You have to stop concentrating on the foods that are not good for you. When that shift will happen, when you will embrace and accept your simple eating in a full way, because मैं कोई कम खाना नहीं खाती हूँ, मैं अच्छा खासा खाना खाती हूँ। मैं बहुत सारी सब्जी, 2 रोटी, एक बड़ा सा लस्सी का ग्लास लेके लंच में बैठती हूँ खाने के लिए, एंड आई ईट माई स्टमक फुल। आई नेवर get up from the dining table feeling, starved or as if I've not eaten. I eat my stomach full. But because I'm eating the right foods, because I'm eating the healthy, fresh, home cooked food, it has worked for me. But it has taken an entire year back in the days. It took an entire year for this thing to come to its full glory and really look like that I've lost weight. I was losing weight slowly, but that slow weight loss has given me a stability with my weight. हाँ, मतलब 1 आध किलो ऊपर नीचे चलता रहता है। अभी जैसे पीछे काफ़ी सारे बर्थडेज़ आए, न्यू ईयर आया, क्रिसमस आया, आउटिंग्स हुई। So I got off track. I am a human. That happens. I got off track. But then I got a sudden realization that I'm getting back into the trap of eating sugar. क्योंकि cakes आए, donuts आए, and then, Diwali की मिठाइयाँ and all of that. So I got out of that trap of eating sugar, that loop of eating sugar every day and craving sugar. It takes around 1 week to get off sugar completely. जिनके लिए थोड़ा ज़्यादा मुश्किल होगा, takes around 2 weeks. But then after that, you do not feel like eating sugar. Trust me on this. And initially, if you're craving sugar and you want to curb that craving down, आप चाहते हो कि बस कुछ मैं ऐसा खा लूँ कि मुझे अब मीठा खाने का मन ना करे, eat some cashews. Cashews really help with sugar cravings. So, yep, that is all I had to share with you in this video. And I will see you in the next one. Do let me know in the comment section below, what do you feel about this kind of content, this kind of format, because I love talking to you guys about things beyond perfumes. So yes, I'll see you in the next one, lovelies. Take care. Mwah.